but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, laying it down there again. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't.
All right, we got Jeremy's fenders here all sanded and buffed. We got his bed lined. We got everything ready to go next door so you can get it all put back together, and we'll be on to the next job. All right, speaking of on to the next job, we have Dylan over here starting the body work on the bed for Larry's truck. He's got the tailgate pretty much wrapped up on the inside, ready for primer. We have already getting the glove box and the instrument cluster for Larry's truck meticulously masked up because both of those are custom, they've been polished, and we have to sandblast the insert pieces that are getting painted so we can't have any damage happen to those pieces. So I'll take you guys over here and show you guys what he's doing. We also have Taylor getting the fenders wet sanded and buffed for Larry's truck as well, because once those get installed, we won't be able to get in there and color sand and buff them with the engine and hood and everything on. So we got to do it now before we actually paint the outside. Okay, so the time has come for Carlos's truck to get cleaned up. So that is exactly what the guys are doing. They're wiping it down, making sure everything looks good, giving it one last look over before we give Carlos a call and set up delivery. Now that we got Victor's bed removed off of his truck, we're gonna get all this inside sheet metal here cleaned up and treated and mask this bed up and get it shot with some epoxy primer. If you guys like what you saw in this video, please like, subscribe, let us know what you think, drop us a comment, go to our website, www.ikandypaintworks.com, pick up some swag, and we'll see you guys on the next video.